Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from CityZOR step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from CityZOR, first, go to their website. To find your profile URL, go to the People Search section and enter your first and last name. Select your name from the list that appears. Your search will automatically begin. Search for your name to find the latest personal information available. There may be several results. Filter these by selecting your current state of residence as shown in the provided image. Once you click on your state of residence, look through the results. Find your name and information and click it. It will be located in a box below the map as shown in the image. After clicking on your name, a personal profile page will appear containing your personal information. Copy the URL link from the address bar as indicated in the image. Return to the CityZOR homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage and click the Do Not Sell My Info link. Paste your profile URL from step 4 into the profile URL field on the Privacy Act request page that opens. Then, enter your full name and email address and click Submit Opt-out Request. A removal request message will appear. CityZOR will send an email to the email address you provided. Check your inbox for an email from CityZOR and open it. Click the verification link provided in the email to confirm your opt-out. A message confirming your opt-out will appear. Your personal information will be removed from the CityZOR website. Congratulations on opting out of CityZOR. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.